Mimsy Cuckoo. She's so pretty. I got it. Is this your fishing pole? I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Come here, kitty. She didn't want to let go of this thing. She loves this little toy. Like a little fishing pole. Fish on a stick. This is my outfit. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. All this funny stuff. This is my Kiki. This is my Kiki! That's my big pile of laundry over there that needs to be done. Probably gonna do that sometime this week, but anyways. Mimsy Cuckoo! You will not let go of this son of a bitch. Wait, ha, got it. Got it, got it, got it. Got it, got it, got it. There she is. Hee there's a Kiki. Mimsy Cuckoo. Mimsy Cuckoo. She's so cute. Look at my cute, adorable little kitten. She's such a sweetheart. She's a smaller cat, though. I had her for 6 months. And she was about 6 months old when I got her. She's just tiny. She's a tiny breed of a kitty, 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 kitty. She's exactly like Minxie a little bit. Little spaz ball. Spaz ball, spaz ball, spaz ball. Meow. Woohoo! Gotcha! Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha.